Beyond our Milky Way, a majestic spiral beckons. 2.5 million light-years away, the Andromeda Galaxy reigns as our closest galactic neighbor. Andromeda's story began 5 to 10 billion years ago, its 100 billion stars swirling into a mesmerizing barred spiral. It's not alone. Within the local group, dwarf galaxies dance around it, creating a vibrant cosmic community. On clear, dark nights, Andromeda teases us with its faint glow, visible to the naked eye. But through telescopes, its true beauty unfolds. Glittering stars, dark dust lanes, and swirling arms paint a breathtaking portrait. Our cosmic connection runs deeper. Andromeda is hurtling towards us, destined for a spectacular collision with the Milky Way in 4.5 billion years. Their merger will birth a colossal elliptical galaxy, forever reshaping our cosmic landscape. Andromeda reminds us that we're part of a vast, interconnected universe. Its luminous depths hold clues to our own galactic origins and the grand dance of celestial bodies. By studying Andromeda, we glimpse the cosmos' past, present, and future. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember Andromeda, our cosmic neighbor, whispering tales of stellar beginnings and galactic destinies.